This is all from Simon Says Stamps. Here's a coupon code, good until 3/1. So it's $5 off. I have a few of those now. Okay, so Simon Says Stamps. The first thing is holographic rainbows, sequins, and they are pretty. I was thinking like party, spring. I have a couple of birthdays coming up, so I got that. These, let's see, these all go together. So these are some of their sentiments that are already printed for you. This one is, I do believe it's Gnome School. So it's got a bunch of different sentiments here. You can pause it and look at it. This one, I don't remember what this one is called. I don't have the receipt with me either. I think it's something related to winter. I thought it would be cute with that kit that I got, or even any of my winter stamps and dies. And then this one is watercolor panels that all have gnomes on it. And if you guys give me a second, we'll look at all the different ones. Okay, so in these particular ones, you get 2 of each. You get 2 white with black and 2 black with white. So I went ahead and opened those. And in this one, you get 2 different ones. You get this one, let's see right here. So all winter themed. I love Frosty Mornings and Toasty Mugs. That one's really cute. I don't agree with the SNOW word because to me that's a nasty word. We're expecting some of that. Lord, I hope not. And then this one, which is the one I showed you earlier, is still pretty. Okay, and then you get 2 of each of these. And these are on Simon Says Stamps watercolor paper, which is a good quality. From the feel of it, I don't know how well it colors. Maybe my friend Misty will tell me. She's the one that's used this paper before, I think. That one's super cute. And this one. Adorable. And it's pretty thick, you guys. It's pretty thick paper. Of course, watercolor paper is a little heavier. I got a split right on my thumbnail, and it's in my skin, and it's a pain in the butt. This one's super cute. He's going to get somebody. And then this one. And then this one. So like I said, you get 2 of each. I love this one. That one's adorable. So, and then this came today. This was a separate order. And it's the Greeting Farm Holiday Anya 7. She's got the gingerbread and she's eating it. I think that's adorbs. And then, let's see. Oh, I got this one too. We'll have to look at that one in a second. So this is Pink Fresh Studios. This is called Stitches. And I love anything to do with sewing and stitches. And this is a die that makes a background card. So I have a special friend that I want to make this for. So I got that. And then I saw this, and it's just so sweet. That little bunny reminds me of the rabbit from Winnie the Pooh, which is near and dear to my heart. You know, kind of one of those books I read as a kid. But the sentiments on this, I love anything to do with rain or umbrellas as far as stamps and dies go, because I live in Washington. And we have 298 days. Yes, 298 days on average a year of rain. Yep. So I collect a lot of stamps and dies that are rain-oriented. And in fact, I refer to the studio as puddle jumpers because you're always walking or stepping or jumping over puddles of Crafty supplies. So here's the sentiments. So I just thought that was adorable, and I hope to get to color that soon. And this is Misty's fault. It's the stitch rectangles by Simon Says Stamps, and they are a good size. And I love stitched dies, and this is double stitched. So I got those. And then they had this as a kit, but I missed out, the gnome kit. So I went ahead and bought just a stamp set, because I can cut this out on my Scan and Cut. And I'm trying to do more of that rather than buying the dies. I'm kind of a die hog. I love dies. I really do. They're just so simple and quick, you know, just put it on there and crank it through and you've got it. But I have the Scan and Cut that hubby bought me last year for Christmas, so I need to start using it more and stop buying so many dies. But it's really hard. And then I got these. These are Prima, and I bought these specifically for my Alice in Wonderland that I'm putting together. So, and it's got the hearts as well as the little teapots. And then I got this from Lawn Fawn. I only bought 2 things from Lawn Fawn. I actually do have a Mama Elephant coming, but it's taking a while because the mail is backed up till Kingdom comes. But it's just because of COVID, you guys. I mean, there's nothing we can do about it. I did buy the other gnome die, because this is the Deco Hat Gnome. So now I have all 3 of them, I do believe. And I got this set free with my order, which is really kind of cool. My kids will like that. They're very modern. And then, so I went ahead and bought the coordinating dies to go with it. And then, let's see, let's get this out of the way. And then another order from them came in today. And it has the Darcy stamps. You guys know I love my dogs, and it says Valentine too, so I thought that this would be cute for Valentine's Day for one of my dog loving friends, or even my grandson. I saw this very beautiful intricate snowflake and decided to get that. I could just imagine that out of holographic or something. I bought the Hallelujah die and their Christmas tree tag and outline, because I have a few of these. They're tag dies from each year. I bought the Cosmos Bloom for quick cards. I got the Simon Says Stamps Christmas Gnomes. It's kind of just the faces, but it's super cute, and I love the font on these, so that'll be adorable. You can put the little gnomes inside the stockings, and then I can cut that out with my Scan and Cut. And then I got the Simon Says Stamps Latte gift card slider, because I do make a lot of gift card holders, and I thought this would be great for my kids next year, or even their birthdays. I can just change it up a little bit, because they all drink coffee. This is Misty's fault too. I asked her who the deco circles that she used on one of her Christmas cards was from, and she said Honeybee. So this is what started the first order. And then this was part of my birthday, actually, this one. This is Penny Black, and it's called Frames. And I just love the embossing detail on them. Just really pretty. And it comes with the little flowers. I can see this on a card. And again, with the stitched, I have scallops, but they don't have stitching. And they're not quite this size. So I got the memory box double stitched scalloped rectangle frames. I use a lot of rectangles. Rectangles happen to be my favorite. I bought the Your Next stamp stitched frame and snow hills, or with snow hills. And again, this is, if I cut these out together, it'll be much faster. And it makes a really super cute card. And I loved the size of these frames. Yeah, I can do it with the dies, but sometimes I have very limited time with my paper crafting. I don't always have time to sit and fuss making the right size frame for my card. So I got these. These are stitched rectangle frames by MFT. And then we'll be right back with these. And my camera shifted. I'm so sorry, guys. So sorry about the camera shift, you guys. Thinking there's a poltergeist in my room. Mess with my camera. So there, you get 2 of each of these. So here's one. You can just cut them apart and use them as you will. And like I said, sometimes well, a lot of times my paper crafting is very limited. So by using these, I can manage that in 15 minutes and make my Christmas cards or my winter cards. So there you go, guys. That is my hauls for Christmas and / birthday, because my birthday is in January. So there'll be a few more coming in because that was part of my Christmas and part of my birthday money. So thanks everybody for watching. I so appreciate you guys. If you stuck with me this long, I thank you very much. And make a happy memory. And I'll see you guys with some projects soon, hopefully. Bye.